Welcome back. An evening with Goa's Nightingale Lorna was held on Sunday in Bicholi. The program was organized by the Bicholi Rotary Charitable Trust. It was organized to raise funds for social upliftment.
Devan maka rotsun herit dilendene Talent moja gatle bangarace mune Civitakia moja urtnaya talia vine Sonsaran dau fama zali Talo di lolo multane Surya ekut don kaya sona Dosos tuja shiva idus romakana Doriak sukti boti yon chitukona Tuka poilak harit ka etrutona Chia zata ol konzana Darling, darling, munon galtat kana Dola jam jam bandung sotat pana E caldona dusri okol kan kona Marina, Marina, Marina Cheda chermiti Marina Corina, Corina, Corina
Noted actress Varsha Usgaonkar, singer Sonia Sirsat and others were present. Prudent Media's PCR in charge Sandeep Pilgaonkar received honour on behalf of Prudent Media. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Now news from sports. There have been very few players who have enjoyed the love and affection at Churchill Brothers quarters, and none better than target man Odafe Okoli. Odafe can still score goals, but this time it was a no-mercy performance against his former club Churchill Brothers. A stunning hat-trick sunk the Warka-based side after Mohan Bagan went down early in the match. This result brings Churchill Brothers to 4th on the I-League and Mohan Bagan have jumped to the 3rd position. However, Churchill do have a game in hand.
There could not be a better homecoming against a former club than this one. Churchill's favourite striking son, Odafe Okoli, was the flag bearer in all the years he lived at the Warka club. The pre-match build-up was mind-boggling and great for the I-League. It was the home side, though, to get on the score sheet at the outset with a brilliant work effort from Mohammad Rafi to manufacture this assist for Lalrandika Ralte in the 5th minute. But Mohan Bagan were cool and composed, and this chest down by Odafe sent the home fans in a frenzy, only to realise that it was no more a goal they could celebrate from Odafe, as it was against his old club this time. Thereafter, Odafe sunk his former club and scored 2 goals in the space of 2 minutes for Mohan Bagan midway through the second half. Fans were left shocked. Churchill's new striking hope Henri Onchouet, however, did pull a goal back in the 81st minute. But Mohan Bagan defenders held on and withstood all the Churchill Brothers attacks thereafter. The match ended Churchill Brothers 2, Mohan Bagan 3. This win has dented Churchill's chance to go top of the I-League table, but will hope to better their position than their current 4th, as they have a game in hand. As for Bagan, they are now in 3rd place. With Bureau Inputs, our video journalist Prasad Harmalkar.
Former Indian defender Mahesh Gowli regrets not leaving India and pursuing his club football career in other countries. When the offers were flowing in, Mahesh Gowli pillared the Indian defence and every club he played for in his long and illustrious career in India. The stopper back has called the curtains on a fine international career and will play out his final few years on the Indian club circuit. But feels had he received adequate moral backing, he would have played as a foreign signing in Malaysia, Singapore or even in the United Kingdom.
It feels like Indian football is eons behind the higher ranked leagues in the world. But this has not masked the Indian players from catching the eye of foreign clubs. The most famous of all being Bhaichung Bhutia. The striker played for Bury in Manchester in England but failed to stay on due to visa problems. Sunil Chhetri played for Kansas City in the United States. Goa's very own Mahesh Gowli had enough offers pouring in when at his absolute prime but failed to pursue his overseas dreams. He explained why.
I think I could have gone abroad to play. I had opportunity, I had offers, but I did not go. means I did not have that background, means supporting background who could advise me, go Mahesh, go, who had pushed me. Nobody had. I just kept on playing the domestic league.
Which are the countries you had offers from?
I had Malaysia, then Singapore, and once the Indian team toured to England. From there, from the agent had offered me, Jopo Lancheri, I'm Vijayan, all these guys.
Mahesh is quick to stake a claim for himself when asked about fans and media raising questions on his recent form for Dempo.
Before last year, I was totally out of the football. I think more than 3 months, and then I came back, and I played very good. Ups and downs are there in life, and people should know all these things. And that doesn't mean that playing bad against East Bengal or some other team, other matches. I took my decision because I knew this is the right time for me to retire.
You still feel you are at the top of your game to deliver at club level because you've not retired from club football. You still feel you're at the top of your game because you are you're at the heart of Dempo's defense now.
Yeah, definitely. I feel myself always not top of the world, but in a good form, and I'll keep this form for my Dempo as much I play for Dempos.
What is your future plan from here? You would like to retire with this club, or you have any other plans of moving out? Any other offers that you might be getting from other clubs?
Not yet, but I will play as much I can. I'll play for Dempos. If Dempo gives me more years, then definitely. If no, then I'll try some other clubs.
Overseas or no, there is no doubting Mahesh's talent. But most importantly, his high levels of humility are the treat to watch. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Fallari from Panji.
Panji has been glittering with the pristine Lokutsav. Art and Culture Department has been organizing this festival every year. Different programs, food items, articles, household appliances and accessories are on display from different states. Have a look at some dance clips captured by our video journalist Sushant Pol. Till then, keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.